Introducing Fleye, your personal flying robot that promises to revolutionize the way you interact with drones. This unique and innovative device offers a blend of advanced technology, user-friendly design, and versatile functionality, making it an ideal companion for a wide range of applications. Whether you're looking for a new way to capture stunning aerial footage, engage in interactive experiences, or explore the potential of autonomous flying technology, this flying robot delivers on all fronts. At the heart of this personal flying robot is its cutting-edge design. Unlike traditional drones with exposed propellers, this device features a completely enclosed design, making it safe to use in a variety of environments, including indoors. The spherical shape and protective outer shell ensure that the robot is not only durable, but also safe to operate around people and objects. This unique design reduces the risk of injury and damage, allowing you to confidently use it in settings where traditional drones might not be practical. One of the standout features of this flying robot is its ease of use. It is designed with simplicity in mind, making it accessible to users of all ages and skill levels. The intuitive control system allows you to pilot the robot with ease, using either a dedicated remote control or a smartphone app. The app provides a user-friendly interface with features such as one-touch takeoff and landing, making it easy to get started even if you're new to flying drones. The robot's stability and responsive controls ensure a smooth and enjoyable flying experience, whether you're capturing video or exploring your surroundings. This personal flying robot is equipped with a high-definition camera, enabling you to capture stunning aerial footage and photos. The camera's wide-angle lens provides a broad field of view, perfect for capturing landscapes, group photos, and dynamic action shots. Whether you're documenting a family gathering, exploring nature, or creating content for social media, the robot's camera capabilities allow you to capture unique perspectives and moments with ease. The ability to stream live video to your smartphone adds an extra layer of engagement, allowing you to see the world from a new vantage point in real time. In addition to its camera features, this flying robot offers a range of autonomous flight modes. These modes enable the robot to perform complex maneuvers and tasks without requiring constant input from the user. For example, the Follow Me mode allows the robot to autonomously track and follow a subject, making it ideal for capturing action shots and documenting activities. Safety is a key consideration in the design of this flying robot. In addition to its enclosed propellers, the robot is equipped with a range of sensors that help it navigate and avoid obstacles. These sensors enable the robot to detect and avoid walls, furniture, and other objects, ensuring safe and reliable operation even in confined spaces. The compact and lightweight design of this flying robot makes it highly portable, allowing you to take it with you wherever you go. Whether you're heading to the park, traveling, or simply exploring your backyard, the robot's portability ensures that you always have access to aerial photography and interactive flying experiences. The included carrying case provides convenient storage and protection, making it easy to transport the robot and its accessories.